And certainly the remarks coming in from the leader of the opposition has not gone down very well. Rahul Gandhi's comment in the parliament on Hindus, Agniveer, as well as on quota has been expunged is the big breaking news that we are receiving at the top of this hour. We've got Payal Mehta joining us on the broadcast. Payal, a very good morning to you. Please walk us through the latest development that we have got for our viewers, the remarks of the leader of the opposition being expunged from the House.
Well, we saw a huge ruckus pan out on the floor of the House when Rahul Gandhi was making these comments, and you saw several ministers in the government stand up and question Rahul Gandhi's intent and probably why was he insulting the majority in this country. Was it being deliberately done, or was it just by design? That's what the BJP leaders on the floor of the House, including the NDA leaders, were really asking. But after having considered this request by the BJP to look into the rules, the Lok Sabha secretariat officials had looked into Rahul Gandhi's speech word by word, and only after that they've decided to expand certain portions. The portions where he's talking about the Hindutva community, the portions where he's talking about the Agniveer scheme, the portions where he's questioning the BJP's internal minorities, all of these comments stand expunged, which means that they will not be a part of the parliament record anymore, Sakshi, which means that anybody who uses them, even in the media, will be liable to be punished in a way according to the parliament rules, is what we're given to understand. So obviously, those words that were spoken by Rahul Gandhi taken off the parliamentary records. That's what the action of the Lok Sabha has been.
Definitely. Payal, please stay with us. We have our senior editor Pallavi Ghosh also joining us on the broadcast. Pallavi, a very good morning to you. In yesterday's session, while the leader of the opposition were throwing certain vibes at the central government, the thing that came up from the central government side is that you will have to prove it according to the book for the Lok Sabha speaker. You will have to present all the evidences you have while you are making the allegations. Has the Congress party yet come out with any of the proofs over the remarks they made inside the House yesterday?
Well, not officially yet, the Congress hasn't, but these are very serious charges which are coming in on Rahul Gandhi, and it could also have dire consequences. There has been a precedence in Parliament that if you make unsubstantiated allegation, the Speaker does reserve the right to take action against you, which could actually extend up to suspension for the remaining session. And of course, the matter can go across to the Ethics Committee as well. It can be seen as a breach of the parliamentary rules and regulations. But as of now, the Congress party is sticking to its stance, and they are making the point that every allegation which was made by Rahul Gandhi is based on truth, it's based on experience, and also the kind of communication he has been having from people he may have been meeting on the ground. If you had listened to his speech yesterday, he talks about multiple interactions which he had during his Bharat Jodo Yatras, both the first as well as the second part as well. But each of those allegations, whether they were made on the Agniveer, whether they were made on the Hindus, and also whether they were made on charges against the minority, has systematically scotched as by the government in the multiple interventions coming in by the union ministers, and also by the big press conference which took place later in the afternoon just after Rahul Gandhi's speech. It's an eyeball to eyeball confrontation. You're going to see more of that, especially the Congress party is expected to cry foul over the fact that why is it that there's a selective outrage? Why is it that the Speaker does not take action against NDA or BJP leaders when they break the rules? Why are their comments not expunged? Why is it that Rahul Gandhi's comments are expunged? And this also on a big day when the Prime Minister is expected to respond to the motion of thanks by 5 p.m. today, and where the Congress party is fully geared up to ensure that they are going to intervene, rebut everything that the Prime Minister says.
Right. Payal and Pallavi would request you to please stay with us.